There are few presentation forms like 3D animation that could fully display an architecture or interior project in an immersive, engaging and convincing way. Rendering animations is breathing life into your work, which not only benefits designers, architects, but also makes execution, negotiation and even marketing so much easier. Whether you're still wondering if animation's a must, or already on the lookout for a more productive, versatile, cost-effective, user-friendly solution, watch this video and find the answer. In a market that's more fierce and competitive than ever, an engaging and appealing showcase of what you can do is vital. Most of the rendered animations found online serve this one purpose, as part of the marketing toolkit. They're also widely used in competitions and pitches for engaging storytelling. Animations, compared to other forms of demonstration, convey complex ideas in an accessible way, also leaving an impression on the audience with appealing visuals. This is such a selling point. For real estate agencies or anyone wishing to visualize and sell their ideas, products, services, it is probably the most effective yet time-saving way to show the full potential of what they sell. When it comes to negotiation and construction, animations not only wow the clients, but also convey the essence of your ideas to those who need to understand it, believe in it, and make it happen. Of course, animation rendering has a lot more to offer. If you're an architect or designer, animations help simulate the real environment for you to feel the space, its scale, light and shadow, observe from different perspectives or even at different times of the day. You get to see your ideas turn into animations, test the functionality of the space, and adjust your design accordingly in a prompt manner, leading to more informed design decisions. If you specialize in visualization, it's easier to test different materials and assets through an animation rather than static images. In terms of presentation, nothing else beats a photorealistic animation for breathing life into architecture or designs. Making animations also allows you to present the space from a certain angle or to curate a route as an immersive experience for the clients to better comprehend the final design. Anyone can render animations. Animation can seem daunting at first, but with tools like D5, it's actually easier than you think. As long as the scene is set up, with just a few clicks, you'll be able to produce a decent clip. What you see while adjusting is what you finally get. Real-time rendering with D5 is intuitive, stable, powerful, yet incredibly fast, so that you could dedicate more time to enhancing the design and visualizations. Breathe life into your scene. All with one click. Animations are not just a fancy add-on, but a game-changer, a tool that we can't afford to ignore. Don't just design or visualize, revolutionize your project with animations before it's required. Until next time, keep designing, keep animating, and stay ahead of the curve with D5 Render.